Sometimes it feels like a punch in the face, coming last in a race, or the feeling you get when you've left your purse on the bus with a month's rent in cash. Keep pushing on to stop time swinging back. We laughed a lot, watching the waves, looking out to boats on the horizon, tiny as toys, but with real human lives on. Now when I look out to sea, I feel cold, like being alone and turning off the world. Everything is different now and again. There's your old house, sold on with someone new living there. They've kept your old curtains, but the front door's a different colour now. You'd throw a fit if you saw the garden. If I only knew you were okay, I think that would make me feel better. If I knew you hadn't just gone, something to make me believe I might see you again. You're playing games, you cheeky old bird.
I miss you now.